Hey guys, I wanted to do a bonus tutorial video showing you exactly how I take the recordings of the trainings that I've done with my screen sharing. I want to show you how I did that, how I recorded the screen share in case that's something you don't know how to do yet. And I want to show you the tool I used. It's called Zoom. So I want to show you how to do a screen share recording, how to upload that to your computer, how to then get it formatted so that you can upload it to YouTube, and then you can just cut and paste that YouTube URL link into your funnels for each video. All right, so I use Zoom. There is a free plan if you want to get started with that, but I believe you'll want to go one step up. Let's see. I believe that you'll want to get this pro one so you can have the features that you're going to need. It also lets you be able to record Facebook Lives, which is cool. So then you can host a meeting on Zoom and have it recording on Facebook Live as well. And it allows you to do webinars, and it allows you to do what I'm doing here and record your screen share meetings. All you need to do to start the recording is go to host a meeting and screen share only. Can't do that right now or it'll stop this recording. But you just go over here, host a meeting, screen share only, or if you want to have a little box of you in the bottom with the video of you, you can do with video on. And then another thing I learned is to come down here to this more button, and if you click that, make sure that you hit record to the cloud. So then the meeting is recorded, because you're going to need that recording to be able to format that and put it onto YouTube later. So just a few things I've learned playing around in here. Let's see, let's go back. So this is my recordings. I wanted to show you how I take a recording from Zoom and then put it on to YouTube. So this at first will just say like Zoom recording. You can name it. I went ahead and named it so I wouldn't forget what it was. And then you just need to click download so that it downloads to your computer. And then this download you'll want to name so you know what it is. And save it where you want to save it. And for me, it saved it in QuickTime Player. And I need to take it from QuickTime Player into iMovie. And I am using a Mac. If you have a Mac, it comes with iMovie. If you have a PC, it comes with something equivalent, but I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but you should have an equivalent. And all you have to do is open iMovie and click Create New. So we're going to upload that file. Import media. And then we're going to go find step 7 that I just put on here. It actually downloaded it earlier, so it's in here twice. And then once it's in iMovie, in order to edit it, you just want to drag and drop this down here. And then one thing that I do is split the clip. So move this little white bar over, and right now it can be anywhere, but I'll show you why. So I just split the clip throughout to kind of just space it out. This will make more sense in a second. There might be a better way to do this, but this is just what I found works. All right, so now what you'll want to do is play your video and then you can edit it. So for me, I know at the beginning of this, there's lots of dead space where it just says like Zoom before I get to the page I before before I get to what I want to be on the screen. There's usually some dead time. So what I'll do is I'll watch it until it starts being real and I start talking, and then I'll just hit pause. And this line moves as it plays. So for example, if I hit pause right now, it'd be right here. And what's in front of that I don't need because that was all dead space. So I just split the clip there, and then I can delete all of this that's not needed. Let me do this a few times here. So for example, see, all this is just dead space because I hadn't started talking yet. And you can see I start talking here. This is the volume down here. So all of this right here I don't need. So I can just highlight it in yellow and then delete it. And you can really split it down to milliseconds in here. So you can even cut out ums if you want. I know I say a lot. I say it too much to try to cut it out in here. But it does let you go in here and fine tune it, delete out if you pause in spaces or need to say something again. This is how you edit that. So once you have it how you want it and edited, then you just want to save it in here. So once you're done with it, click on this little arrow, make sure it's highlighted. Click on this arrow up here and then File. And you have to do this so that it saves it in the correct format to then upload it to YouTube. So this will take a little while. So once that is uploaded, you'll get this little, yay, successful thing over here. You can close that and go into YouTube. And you can go to your channel and just click this create button and upload video. And we're just gonna grab that video we just did. So once you're on YouTube, you get to, do your own title. And description. So you'll see there's thumbnail options down here. It'll automatically generate a couple options for you to choose from. If you don't like any of those, you can upload your own thumbnail. It can be your own screenshot from the video, or you can go into something like Canva and create a fun graphic. Canva is really easy to use. They already have YouTube video thumbnail templates in there, so it's already the right dimensions, and you can upload your own photos and graphics and font, or you can use templates that they have that look really nice. So that's how you can do a custom thumbnail. And then they have this new audience to click if it's for kids or not. So just do all that, and then your video will be saved in YouTube. So if you found that helpful, that's how I did all the training recordings in the Affiliate Biz to Go system. You can also use Vimeo. That is a separate paid for platform, but since I already had Zoom, I wanted to utilize that software because I use it for coaching calls and webinars and trainings and such. So I wanted to use Zoom because I already had it and I wanted to make use of it. But if you want to do Vimeo, that's a different route, and It's a similar process. You just wouldn't be uploading to YouTube at the end. You'd be recording in Vimeo itself and then uploading that. So since we used, or since I use YouTube, and in this example we're using YouTube, I'm going to show you how to upload these videos in your funnel. So all you have to do is highlight, you see this orange right here around the video. Let's get on the orange, and that's where the settings is for this element. In ClickFunnels, the elements are in orange. So this is an element too. This block here, this block here is an element. All right, so we're going to edit this element here, go to settings, and then video type here. See, I have YouTube. You can also do Vimeo and these other options, but for this purpose, YouTube. And then you just copy and paste your YouTube link right here. And that's all you have to do. And back in YouTube, once you save this, it shows you a link. So I'll go into one that I've already done. The video link right here, this is what you copy and paste and just put into your funnel. All right, guys, I hope you found that helpful. I know when I was first getting started, I wasn't quite sure how to put these pieces together and how to get it off my computer onto YouTube in the right format. So I hope you found this useful and helpful. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next step.